Hey people, what's up? It's Shaira. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how I do my makeup in the summers. So if you want to know how I do it using bare minimum products, then keep watching. Starting off with hydrating my lips. So I'm using the Studio West lip balm in peach. Going ahead with my Sisley face moisturizer, patting it into the skin first and then using my fingers to massage it all in. For concealer, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C12. Look at that wand. This is my current favorite, by the way. So I'm just dotting it on the areas where there's pigmentation and dark spots. Because we can't use too much product. Because the humidity in Mumbai doesn't allow us to. So just wherever it's required. Going a little overboard with the concealer around the mouth because a lot of pigmentation, can't help it. Using my ring finger to blend it in and getting the product down towards my cheek as I like a highlighted under eye. Also, using your fingers can make so much of a difference as the warmth in your fingers can melt the product into your skin so well and so seamlessly. Also, blending around the mouth might take a little extra time because we've used a lot of product because of a lot of pigmentation. Also, how can we forget the beauty blender? So using this to push all the product into the skin and give it a nice airbrushed effect. Using the Fit Me pressed powder in 230 to set my under eyes. So this is 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, but as I mentioned, I like a highlighted under eye. I'm using it just under the eyes, on the bridge of my nose and on my forehead. Using the MAC Studio Fix in NC42 to just set the entire face and blend in everything perfectly. I'm using a very fluffy brush. I bought these from Forever 21. And also, how can we forget the neck? For contouring, I'm using the Freedom Pro Contour Kit in medium deep. So this works more as a bronzer as it has a very warm finish to it. So that's why I'm using it as a bronzer. Using it on the eyelids as well and to contour my nose to add some nice warmth on the face. I'm using the W7 Strobe Kit to highlight. I'm using the shade Bronzer. This has been the best highlighter I have ever used. This was gifted to me by a friend and I love her for that. I'm using my ring finger to highlight the bridge of my nose and my index finger for the cupid's bow and the inner corners. Also, how can we forget the brow bone? We need a little highlight and a little glow, right? I'm using the YSL Tinted Brow Gel to just set my brows in shape. I don't do much with my brows because I have really thick brows. I'm using an eyelash color to curl my lashes. Going with the Isadora Volume Lash Mascara in Fanned Out. This mascara does so much. It's like from no lashes, you go to so much lashes. I really love this one. And it separates the lashes so nicely. For lips, I'm using the NYX Lingerie in the shade Cabaret. I loved it when I tested it at the store. But when I bought it home, I realized the color is lovely. It glides onto the lips really well, but the formula is so bad. It is so bad. It sticks. It sticks on your lips. You can't even press your lips together. So to get that formula in place, I'm using the Lakme Enrich Satin in 129. This helps it and doesn't let it stick as much. I'm then going in with the Freedom Primer Water for a nice dewy effect and using my beauty blender to set it all in. And yeah, that's about it. Using very few products. We're done. Summertime makeup routine. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.